Hi, I'm Carl, a TEFL-certified English teacher with over 5 years of experience teaching both kids and adults. My teaching style is interactive and tailored to each student's needs, focusing on building confidence and improving communication skills. I believe learning English should be engaging and enjoyable, with lessons designed to match your goals and interests. Whether you are looking to improve your English or your grammar or expand your vocabulary or enhance your conversation skills, I am here to help you succeed. Let's work together to make your English journey a rewarding experience. Feel free to connect and book a lesson today. See you. Bye.